Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in my first video I will be talking about the review of number concepts. So in this video we are gonna be learning more about the number concepts, and all of this is coming from the textbook Cambridge IGCSE Maths Core and Extended Course Book. So, and this is the third edition. So let's begin. So today's topic 1.1 is the different types of numbers. So the first of these many numbers is natural numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, while odd numbers is numbers with 1, 3, 5, any number that's not divisible by the number 2. But even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2, so 2, 4, 6. Integers are numbers from the negative infinity to the positive infinity. So an example of this would be negative 1, 0 and 1. So like this. So prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So 2, 3 and 5. 1 is not counted because it's a number, a unique number. A square number is the number 1, the number 4 and the number 9. The reason why they are square numbers is because the number 1 times 1. So multiply, if when you multiply it, it becomes 1. 2 times 2, that becomes 4. 3 times 3, that becomes 9. So they are square numbers. Same thing with cube numbers, it's just 1 times 1 times 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So the same applies for cube numbers. So now fractions are when a number is divided by something or written in the a by b format. So for an example as shown on screen is 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 4 and so on. Decimals are numbers such as 0.2, 0.9 and 2.7. So any number with the decimal point. So now let's move on to the next thing within our topic, which is rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which are written in the fraction format a by b, and b is a non-zero number. So this is also known as a rational number. So some examples which I'm gonna demonstrate why they're rational numbers is 2, minus 2, 5 divided by 92 and 0.123. So 2 and negative 2 can be divided by 1, so it's all the same. So next we have 5 divided by 92, which is already in the a by b format, and 0.123 can be written as 123 divided by 8000. So let's move on to our next slide, which is irrational numbers. So irrational numbers cannot, I heavily stress this word, cannot be written in the fraction format a divided by b, where b is a non-zero number. The reason I stress on this is because in my class we have lost a lot of marks because of this, so heavily focusing on the cannot. So some examples of this is when you square a non-square number. So for example the number 2, we just saw some square number examples, which was 149, and since 2 is not a square number, it will lead to an irrational number. The same thing applies if you do the cube root. So the cube root of 2 will be the same result, just even smaller than its original. And a famous example of an irrational number is pi, where pi is cannot be written in a fraction and is a never ending number. So the first 3 digits, what is used for basic calculation, which you might have done in grade 7, is 3.14. So here's a symbol of pi. And now let's move on to our next topic, which is the written forms of symbols. So the first one, the very basic, what we learn in the very youngest of grades, is equal to. Next is not equal to, which is a slash over the equal to sign. The greater than or greater than or equal to is written like this, and less than and less than equal to looks like this. The square root, as we just saw, is written like this, and therefore is written like this using three dots. And that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching. Really grateful you're watching this and hope you have a good studies. Goodbye.